It has been somewhat hard to be completely optimistic about our economic future if the budget problem is not addressed. Globally, we are seeing recession in much of Europe. China's growth is slowing, as is growth in other emerging markets. Our failure to act on the U.S. budget is aggravating existing weakness in the global economy. So this is clear. It is time for real leadership in Washington, for our elected officials to have the courage and the vision to do something right for our country. It's happened under President Reagan and President Clinton when major compromises were achieved on debt and deficits. It can and should happen again. If not, our country's economy will grow more slowly than it would otherwise as the level of government debt grows and uncertainty continues about how the budget impasse will be resolved. At NASDAQ, I expect we will continue to face headwinds in our core business as companies' growth prospects fail to excite investors. This has negative implications for our trading and listings business. We may still do better than our competition, but not as well as we should be doing and not as well as our economy should be doing. The confidence of executives who invest to grow their businesses as well as investors in our markets is directly related to the problem of the federal debt and deficits. We also recognize the fiscal cliff and the sequester are not a compromise or even a path to sustainable growth. These policies were created simply as a blunt force threat to prompt the government to act in the future. Now is the future, and we're waiting to see which side will blink and who will win. It is a process of governing by mutually assured destruction, a dangerous way to force the making of laws. Our elected officials must recognize the principle of governing responsibly is paramount to their legitimacy. Governing to win does not, in fact, provide legitimacy.